Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are headed to the ham meet. Got Blueberry here sunbathing. I had the car warming up for about 15 minutes and there was a lot of condensation back there and it was like smoking up pretty well, but then again super cold and very early in the morning. But I also noticed that there was a lot of smoke coming out of the engine bay, and I popped the hood and it's literally smoking out of the V-band, which again, condensation is probably seeping through the downpipe and just burning off. But other than that, we are about ready to go. We're just waiting for the homie Isai, and Herb is already here. He's about to make some Gamer Subs drink for himself, and once the homie gets here, we're gonna head out. Isai just pulled up in his new MR2 that we went to go pick up last weekend, and I decided to just throw the hood bra on the car real quick because the hood does have a giant crack, and the hood bra definitely covers it up really nicely. So we are about ready to rock and roll, but I did forget to get E85 last night, so SI was gonna give me 5 gallons, and we're gonna pump real quick, and then we're gonna hit the road. Guys, we just pulled up to the spot, and it is hosted at the Dublin Honda, but it is super packed. So like they redirected us. Not entirely sure if we're able to get inside. And when we pull up, man, there was like hella other cars, bro. Non-Hondas, bro. That's crazy. Honestly, if we can't find a parking spot on the inside or something, I might just get on out of here, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Look at this line on the back side of the dealership. G35, the G35, 370, GTI, like ham meat. Honda Acura mornings, guys. Oh my God. There is no way, bro. There is no way. There is no way. You guys know I always got to come out here and find this car. Ooh, a little motivation. Let's go. What's good?
Oh, sorry.
No, you good.
My bad. What's up, man?
You
Do you mind if we take a picture?
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
Sunside. It's a little dark this way. You good?
I know you're vlogging.
No, I always tell people to be natural, man. Like we just keeping it real raw. That's it. Good. That's awesome. Oh, you too. Let's go. We out here.
Yeah. I've been watching you since high school, since 2016.
Yeah.
And then I put him on, and then he ended up falling in love with Hondas. And
oh shit! I hope it ain't from my video. I hope it's just truly from the heart, man.
Yeah. He used to be a Scooby guy, or he still is, but he has a UK of his own. So, and he's slowly trying to.
Okay, look, he just said he used to be a Subi guy, and now you're a Honda guy.
Yeah.
Matt, I'm telling you, dog, get rid of your Subis, buy a damn Honda. You're gonna have so much more fun.
Yeah.
But Subis are cool too. I'm not capping. I'm just.
Yeah.
It's her and her.
What's your favorite
You hear
one?
that? Her and her car. I'll take
Okay, my Integra
her Integra.
that I built and tracked.
Let's go. That's lit.
I'm gonna upload like a short video, but I can't record more.
This guy out here talking about haven't seen people in so long and faces look familiar. You guys remember this guy?
No.
AKA Big Murph. What's the channel now?
It's still Big Murph.
It's still Big Murph?
It's still Big Murph.
Wait, I thought it was your name now.
It used to be, but I changed it back to
Oh, you changed it back. So Big Murph back in the building, guys. He is slowly just trying to like post some clips here and there, but life just kind of gets in the way sometimes, right?
Yeah, I'm a law enforcement officer now, so
Yeah. But don't get me wrong, he still got a TSX and you still got the EG.
And an Integra.
And an Integra. You still got that car? The Supersonic?
Yeah, it's actually in the body shop right now. I'll get it back in probably like another 2 weeks or so.
Oh wow, I didn't.
It's on the rack right now.
Damn. What's up with your cars getting all damaged, my guy?
I don't know, it's not.
God damn. Goddamn California drivers, bro.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Send me a picture you got. We'll take a look at something I'm thinking about. So yeah. You put these in yourself.
Your ticket, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Best
Thank
of luck
you.
to you.
The Moto Acampo scooter from Honda. Shout out Herb. Thank you. Say less, man. I appreciate that. Thank you. I need some of these wheels in my life. USDM gunmetal ITR 5 lug. Let's go. Bro, look at this. SCCA B series rear wheel drive. Oh, that one? That's crazy. I got stopped so much, it was crazy.
Dude,
Yeah,
I know,
yeah,
bro. Friggin', that was wild, bro.
That was a good
like,
turnout.
literally,
It was
as soon as we got there, like, I saw you get stopped, and then I started walking. I had to go to the bathroom so bad, and then I got stopped. And I was
Yeah,
like,
this dude went
yo.
dookie like crazy.
For real, for real.
And then when you guys came back, I was
looked
still
up in front
there.
of your
Yeah.
house, dude.
We went around.
People were asking me like, "Herb, where's Dana at? Where's Dana? What car did
He's
he bring?"
probably
He
right
brought
there.
Blueberry, but we parked all the way over there. Like,
Out here at Doghouse with the boys. This guy wanted to eat pho, and then he decided, oh, Doghouse, because he ain't never been here before. Herb's got his, he's got his, and tenders on top of that.
Yep.
And I got mines. But you know, we're trying to post on IG, but it's not letting me, which is weird.
Because the phone eats before we eat.
Exactly. Literally, guys, mid conversation, I had to stop him from talking. I realized that this guy doesn't have his Crocs on, and this guy doesn't have his Crocs on either. That's crazy rare sight, dude.
Today was a serious day.
All right, guys, so we got home like a little while ago, and we're not really doing much. We're just vibing out. SI's still here. He went home, got his element, and Herb is vibing out over there with Hades. The other day, SI and his boy swap out the TPS sensor, and calibration is a little off. So right now, we're just gonna adjust it real quick. It is a B series, so it's pretty simple and easy to do. And right now, I'm just trying to adjust it to get it close to factory, and then we'll get into the K-tuner with the homie Nomis to calibrate it completely. B series TPS sensor, we are currently at 5 closed, and it should be at 4.5 wide open throttle. We are 4.6-ish, so this is as close as we can get it. And now we're gonna let the homie calibrate this in K-tuner. Bro, he had to slide the seat all the way forward and then recline the back all the way down so he can drive with the shoulder lean. Because when he pulled up to my house, dude, I can barely see his head. That's funny. All right, I'm gonna go drive it around real quick. So, guys, we took SI's car for a little spin, and we did a couple of pulls. I didn't record it on the GoPro though, but it pulls really well. It torque steers like crazy though, because front wheel drive bias with the stock CRV element and rear diff, and car is idling like normal. We're trying to get the car to do what it was doing when SI was driving it, where it would peg like super rich and then super lean, and then the car would act weird. I literally did like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pulls, and the car runs and sounds good. So we're just kind of like leaving it alone, and just trying to see if that issue would surface, and if it does, address it. If it doesn't, then nothing really much you can do about it other than drive it in the daytime, different scenario, stop and go traffic, hotter weather, and see if it reacts then. But right now, there's not much more we can do. Shout out to the homie for remoting in to check over everything, and even with the data log, everything looks good. So I think we're kind of done with this car for tonight. We're not going to switch over to the 91 yet until the car starts having issues. So it's going to stay on the E85 for now. As far as the garage goes, I don't think we're really doing anything else, man. Today was just a chillax day at the ham meet, and we went out there with the homie Herb.
What up, guys?
Yeah, the homie SI right there. Met a lot of old faces that was really nice to see and hang out with, and also met a lot of new faces too. So for those that I met today out there in the ham meet, thank you guys for approaching. Thank you guys for saying what's up. And definitely we'll be out there again in December. December, boys? December?
December's next one.
December, we're going to be out there once more and hang out for the last one of the year. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video a little bit. If you guys did, be sure to leave a thumbs up. If you guys want to get back with the regular programming of wrenching and tweaking with all of these cars, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Nomis.
Thank you, Nomis. See you guys in the next one.